First cast. Not super small, but not super big. Oh, there's a hook. Ow. Hook. Hooked on himself. Stop. First fish. Fat little guy. Not too bad. That's a good way to start the video. It's like a seagull or something like dying up there. The little guy come after it. Probably like a little rock bass. Which is funny, I haven't caught a rock bass on spook before. I think rock bass tend to stay down deeper, so you have better luck catching them with Senkos, creature bait, stuff like that. Bottom, deep stuff. I haven't caught them on any like crankbait or anything like that, any hard baits I haven't caught them on, so it's probably why I catch a lot of them. I use a lot of soft baits. Literally just almost hit a pigeon midair. That was awesome. I've done that before. A duck. I've actually, my buddy Colin, who you guys are probably going to meet here in the next video or two. He and I, we were fishing out on a different part of this lake earlier this summer, or spring really, and I casted a spinnerbait really far, and mid cast my line was about 50 feet out. Two ducks came and like flew, and they just tagged it and like dragged my I didn't hook the duck, but it dragged my line like 20 feet the opposite direction in which I was trying to cast. It was absolutely insane. I've never seen anything like that. I've heard of people like catching like seagulls and whatnot, but not hitting a bird mid-flight or mid-cast. It's kind of like that Randy Johnson pitch. And he took out a bird. Luckily I didn't kill it. It kept flying. Didn't hurt it at all. Man, this fin. There we go. Smallmouth. First cast with the drop shot. Dude. Holy feisty guy. He is angry. He is not having it. He is real pissed. Oh, he's been attacked. He's got some Jesus, blown into the wall. He's got some weird stuff coming out of his ears. He's like infected. I'm gonna let him go. No wonder he's pissed. I'd be pissed too if my junk was all messed up. Again, all I'm throwing, now it's messed up. I hate flipping with a drop shot. What's that? A couple from the other day, yeah. Just got that one. Yeah, smallies. Back to what I was saying. Just simple drop shot setup, guys. You can do this too. By the way, if any of you guys want to ever come fish with me, you guys live in the Seattle area or visiting, want to do some bass fishing, hit me up. If you have a kayak or some sort of little boat, that'd be great. That way we can kind of go out and venture together out in some more options, you know, like larger water, lakes, different lakes. I've got a bunch of spots. Also, you guys will soon find out, I'm really big into fly fishing, so if you guys ever want to go fishing, shoot me a message and we'll try and make something happen. size smallie. Too bad. There's one. Jesus. He hit it hard. He hit it real hard. Holy smokes, he hit it hard. Ow. 3 treble hooks are probably not necessary on this lure.
How's it going?
It's going well.
I was just going to ask you how the fishing is. Can you hook it?
Yep, I got one right here. I just got 2. This is the second one I've got. See you guys?
Fast one.
Yeah, it's a smallmouth.
Yeah.
Excellent, most excellent. There we go. There we go.